Okay fellas, it's nice to see you again here back in my videos, and today I have the tool number 9 from the second lot I have received. Guys just made a dot because on the title it says same, it's 9 or 6. Okay, and now we will check what's wrong with it, and of course in the end we will calculate. Okay, so what are you doing wrong? Strange. Okay, yeah. What's wrong? It's a gear assy, because you can see that it's going back when the function is working. So okay, it will be the hard fix, I think. So what we need to do, we need to deassemble the gear assy itself. So that means removing the jack, of course. Okay, I will try to do that. Cannot get a screwdriver in. Okay, I think I need to use the vise. Okay, I will clean some mess here and you can go. Okay, the gear assy is really expensive for this tool, so if I cannot fix the gear assy, I think it's better to throw this tool out. Just throw it away. Okay, now I need to adjust the camera to the vise. Okay. I'll clean the vise because they're greasy from the previous tool. Okay, and what was the previous tool I made? Yeah, it was the Hitachi BHP453. I wrote the hammer drill. Sorry, I haven't made a video for that one. So yeah, I'm not making a video for all the tools I repair, because it's many of the same tools, and of course the making video is taking more time than the simple repairing the tool. Okay, now I will try to unscrew the screw. Okay, it goes or no. Okay, so the lower speed, the drilling mode, and we'll try doing that again. Okay, cannot get it, spin it, so okay, no, still can't get it. I'll try the VD40. Maybe. Okay, so what's happening here now? I don't know why, but the camera was switched off itself. So yeah, what I made the decision to deassemble the tool and to deassemble the gear assy, to take the key with 7mm 6 corner socket, to put it on the assy here and remove the jack, because it's a spring here. I can see it, it's even not touching the groove. So okay, yeah, it's that happened for the second time for me with this camera, so I don't know, maybe I will take it to the warranty or something. Okay, I can see that the gear assy is a little bit loose here, so I will screw the screws in, of course. Okay, and then I will try to unscrew the jack. Okay, so getting back to the wise view. So now we have the check, the Allen key. I will try to move the check a little bit to remove the tension. Okay, so the screwing direction. Fuck. I hope that the screw not got out. Okay, it seems that not. So now I can try to unscrew the screw. Okay, can I do that? It's getting really hard. So trying the same thing again. Okay. So of course we can break the screw and Loctite that chuck. What I think I will do, of course I cannot unscrew it now, so okay. So it's time to break the screw. Okay, it's really hard to do that. Okay, we'll try to unscrew it now. Seems that it's moving. Okay, so I need to make it shorter and of course more stable. Okay, the screw is moving out. Finally the screw is out, so it's Loctited, so that's the reason why it's unscrewed so hard. Okay, I'm taking the Allen key and getting it into the chuck. Okay, the chuck screws out really easily. So now we are getting back to the normal, our table view. I'll try to move it here in the middle of the table. Okay, we have the 4 screws here, we have the spring here. I think where's the problem is the spring. I think that the problem is in the spring. It cannot hold the pressure, the spring, so I want to check how it looks, of course. Okay, now it seems that it's moving good, but as you can see it gets back. So I will unscrew the 4 screws to check the gear assy. Okay, taking it the same position, and now we can check what we have here. So we have the spring, and for some reason the spring is not getting back easily. So okay, what I will try to do, I will try to bend it a little bit to the one side and to the another. Okay, and we will check how it will go. Okay, see that I need to bend it like that with the two pliers. Okay, maybe now it will go good. Okay, now this one. Okay, now the spring is in its place, so putting back the blade here. Okay, now it seems that the spring is good. Yeah, I'll screw in the screws and we'll check. Maybe we have saved a lot of money, and if for the new gear assy, so it's better to throw this tool out, because the new gear assy is really expensive. So, and this tool is not so expensive at all. It's worth about 50 euros. So installing the maybe 30-40 euros worth gear assy, it's really totally not worth it. Okay. Okay, what we have now? Yeah, now we can hear the click, 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 so it will be good. Okay, yeah, I think we saved the money. Okay, now it's time to assemble the gear assy. I will take the gears out. So now goes this nice fellow, the 2 pins. You need to put them here inside. Okay, now they're inside. You can check it by if you are moving it and the assy is not moving, so that's good. Okay, I will put some grease here. Oh, really not a lot of grease, because it's not need to be a lot of grease here. Okay, and okay, this one goes here. So now this one is the gear assy is made that you will not assemble it finally if you will put the parts in the wrong direction or the wrong parts. So yeah, it's just a matter of time. The first time when I got to assemble the gear assy, I was like, what the fuck, because it's a no spare parts view of it, and the technician would rain at me to repair the power tools, just split everything on the table. So yeah, it was, I cannot remember how long I needed, but I need some time to do that. But after that I can tell that almost all gear asses are the same. Okay, and the plate. Spinning the plate. Okay, now it's good, so it's time to clean it a little bit. Okay, just assembling the motor in the gear assy, the speed button, okay, getting everything in place. Of course, we can see that this tool was used for the real conditions in heavy duty, but it's a good tool. Okay, now it's time to screw in the screws. I will just make my bit shorter. Okay. Just not put the housing right. Okay, now the housing is good. Just getting back all the screws and all the tools. Okay, making sure it works. Yeah, you can hear the tick 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 sound. Okay, now putting on the check, installing back the screw. Okay, and the screws in, so it's now time to test it. As you can remember, when I was using it on this mode, the clutch was going back. Now it's not going back, so it stays really good. Okay, so we repaired this tool without no parts, with no cost. So the prime cost of this tool is 11 euros, so it's a really nice bargain, because we'll get a 50 euros for this one. Okay, maybe 40 euros, because it's really seen better days. Okay, but still it's a very good profit. If we will get a 30 euros profit from this one, that's very good. So okay, for now, thank you for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.